I'm actually really interested in your views on how you think God guided mutations. And I guess the main thing I'm worried, not worried about, wanting to know is, do you think that there is a distinction between the mutations that God causes to bring about his evolutionary plan, or and mutations that are not part of the plan?
Okay.
Or do you think he sets, like, you see what I'm saying? Like a
Yes, I do.
expert like billiards player at the beginning, or does he intervene in the process?
Well, let me make it clear to everybody that I am not advocating the scenario that I just described to you. I'm saying here's a possibility. Here's a scenario that would be fully compatible with evolutionary biology, but I'm not advocating that. I'm just defending its plausibility or possibility. And the scenario that I propose does envision a miraculous intervention of God at some time in the historical process, not just setting up the initial conditions and letting them unfold. I do believe that God is provident over the whole of human history as someone who believes in what is called divine middle knowledge. I think that God is in control of every motion of every subatomic particle in the history of the universe. But he does so without necessarily needing to intervene causally in the nexus of secondary causes. But the proposal that I'm offering here is that we can imagine that God did intervene somewhere around 750,000 years ago to cause this genetic regulatory mutation that lifted these two hominins to full humanity, and as I'll say later, infused into them rational souls that made them fully human. So I'm quite happy with miracles.